Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, this video is started rather differently, but it's gonna be a busy week in my life before university starts, before my final year starts officially. Well, I am not ready, but I guess you guys are, because you guys are asking for the university vlogs again. Alright, actually आज it was really busy, but I only filmed the good part जिधर मैं dominos गई थी अपनी दोस्त के साथ, and the weather was so good. I was like, let's just start off slow, but it was a really hectic day. इतना hectic था कि मैं film नहीं कर पाई, so you guys can understand why. But yeah, I was just on call with a colleague, and oh my god, the situation is messed up right now. It's 8:35 p.m. I'm just gonna log off now, maybe shut off everything and sleep.
Later that day, I just went out with my brother. We were on a bike ride and we saw some amazing cars and like bikes. Oh my god, I love to see them. But anyways, I was in a bad mood, so my brother took me out.
Good morning everyone. It is a beautiful Tuesday. The weather is good. These days the weather is so good, but right now I am here. I was just getting ready for my office when I remembered I just got this. It's like a dupe of the Pixie, and I wanted to try it here with you guys. Like yeah, लेकिन इस तरह कहीं जाने से पहले नहीं किया. So let's do this. Pigmented, that's why I got it in the first place. Let's try to blend it. This my favorite size. It is pigmented, definitely. A little bit here. Let's go with it. It's so pretty, see? I'm just gonna finish getting ready and see you guys then. Well, you guys, I am ready. I'm just going to do something with my hair and leave the house because it's 9:29 a.m. Good morning everyone. I got ready. It's a bit cute today. पता नहीं क्यों मेरा दिल चाह रहा था, because honestly मेरा दिमाग हिरा हुआ है कुछ चीज़ों पे ऑफिस को लेके, मगर I was like, let's just dress cute. Anyways, to relax my mind, of course. Yeah, it's going a pink theme going on, and I'm just about to leave my house, but I am so hungry, so I'm gonna do some breakfast and let's continue this hectic week, you guys.
I reached my office at about 9:45 a.m. in the morning, and till 11:12 p.m. I am so hungry. I ordered myself some paratha for breakfast, and of course I have to reapply my perfume. I mean, I am a lover when it comes to perfumes, you know. And along with my breakfast, I am also doing some work. It's a brand new day, but I couldn't film much. This day I was just filming myself here having breakfast, but I don't know, for some reason I couldn't film much at all this day. Now, every day of the week cannot be the same, it cannot be fun every single day, but this day was a goodie. After office hours in the, break time, on Fridays we have like big breaks. So like we went out as a team and we went out for lunch, but the entire mall was closed. But at least the food place was open, so we went to Wild Wings and we got ourselves some lunch. It was so yummy and so good, especially the margarita was so good.
You guys, मैं घर आ गई हूँ. It was a lovely day. I had so much fun. But right now I just got done teaching a student. और अब मैं online पढ़ाऊँगी. उसके बाद I might just go to Miniso again because I saw something amazing at Miniso and I want to get it. Let me see if I can go. वैसे मेरे जो सर है उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि मैंने एक इंटरव्यू लेना है, लेकिन मैं खाना खाई थी तो he said it's okay. So मैं इंटरव्यू नहीं ले रही आज. Well, you guys, Saturday, happy weekend. मैं इधर देखूँ या मैं? Okay, I have new nail paint on, and I got ready. कल तो मैं नहीं जा पाई, but I am going to the mall today. But I have fever, I have a sore throat, and I'm almost dying. But I am feeling this hairdo. I don't know why. So let me just do something similar to this, and the makeup looks so slay. Perfect. Look at the lip too. Look at it sparkling. Well, this is the dress that I decided to wear, and I don't know what to do with my hair yet, but the lips are serving. Yeah. I'm just gonna make some videos and leave the house.
When I got ready, I thought we were going to Giga Mall, right? So I wore a dress, like a bright yellow dress on a late night. Alright, but थोड़ी देर बाद मुझे पता चला कि हम गीगा मॉल नहीं जा रहे हैं. हम तो मेरे ख्याल से आई बिलीव PWD जा रहे हैं या कहीं पे फॉर गेटिंग शूज़. मेरी अम्मी को चाहिए थे. तो एनीवेज़ आई वाज अ लिटिल मैड हियर, बट एनीवेज़ हम लोग शूज़ की शॉप पे गए. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम्स, बट द शूज़ वर सो कूल. आई ऑनेस्टली थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग माई सेल्फ सम, बट मुझे एज सच कोई फाइनल वाला पसंद नहीं आया. Anyways, here I am just sitting in the car with my sister, and why are we always like this? But later on something got happened that we decided to go to Imtiaz as well, and Imtiaz is such a good place. I am so happy whenever I go to Imtiaz because such reasonable things and everything is available there, like from branded to indie brands, and everything is just so good to look at and to get. So like here I'm just doing some shopping, and look at this cute hat. Anyways,
संडे कल मैं आ गई थी और मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं, मगर आई वाज एक्चुअली सिक तो मेरा दिल कुछ किया नहीं. और आई गॉट दिस ब्रेड, वो मैंने ली थी चिकन ब्रेड, वो मैंने खा लिया था रात को. अदरवाइज़ मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खाया. बट आई गॉट अ डिज़र्ट. आई गॉट दिस. लेट्स सी हाउ गुड दिस लुक्स. लेट मी शो यू बैक कैमरा. I mean, would you look at that? It's blueberry cheese, some sort of cake. Okay, now shall we open this together? So this up also guys, मैं ना outfit बना रही थी अपने अभी, and मैंने दो इतने fit outfits बनाए हैं, like okay, this looks good. Honestly वहाँ पे chocolate वाला भी था, मगर मैंने कहा I want to try this out so bad. Look at the goodness. Let's try this. I really want it to be good, honestly, because मेरा बस दिल है कि अच्छा हो ये. It does not have any cake in it. Let's try this. It has cake. It's good. It's really good. Even जिसमें इतना ज़्यादा क्रीम होती है ना, मैं नहीं खाती हूँ. This is very light. It's very good. It has pineapples as well as these green wala kuch sort of stuff with coloring, maybe green colored pineapples, honestly. And my choc chips. I'm gonna have this and I'm gonna watch Vagabond. I started Vagabond and I love it. अब बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. साथ साथ मैं editing भी कर रही हूँ. And oh my goodness, कल से मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी भी स्टार्ट हो रही है. Let's just hope and pray कि सब कुछ ठीक रहे. I'm just gonna do some hair oiling, watch some Vagabond, do some editing and relax. Made some really cool fits, so most probably in the upcoming videos you're gonna see the fits as well. Yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.